my name is Hussein from tutorial group EOT241 and this is my math assignment presentation. In question 1, I input the values for y equals to x squared plus bx plus c using the spreadsheet formula starting with an equal sign, b12 as x squared plus f4 which is b times a12 which is x plus h4 which is c. Do take note that b and c are absolute positions, which explains the dollar signs. And as I copy the formula down, the values of x and x squared moves down as they are relative. Here in question 2, the graph of y equals to x squared is represented with the graph in blue that remains constant, while y equals to x squared plus bx plus c is represented with the graph in orange, which changes as the values of b and c changes. Question 3 displays the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac based on the quadratic equation. Using spreadsheet formula, there will be f4 squared minus 4 times h4, which is c. As for the solutions, x1 is a solution of quadratic formula minus b plus square root b squared minus 4c over 2, or here in the formula bar, minus f4 plus square root m11, which is the discriminant, over 2. Guys, x2 is a solution for minus b, but minus square root b squared minus 4c over 2. And similar to the graph, the values of the solutions as well as the numerical discriminant corresponds to b and c and changes with it. For question 4, inputting the values of b and c into the computed square form, we would get y equals to bracket x plus 8 over 2 squared plus 9 minus bracket 8 over 2 squared. And solving, we will get bracket x plus 4 squared minus 7. And do take note of the values highlighted as well as their placement in relation with the bracket. For output shift, if k is bigger than 0, the graph would shift upwards. And if k is lesser than 0, the graph would shift downwards. In this case, k is negative 7 and would thus shift downwards by 7 units. For input shift, if k is bigger than 0, the graph will shift to the left, and if k is lesser than 0, the graph would shift towards the right. Since 4 is inside the bracket and is positive, we can conclude that the graph shifts towards the left by 4 units. Lastly, it is observable that if the discriminant amounts to a positive value, we would receive 2 real solutions. Else, if discriminant amounts to 0, we will receive 1 real solution. Otherwise, if discriminant equals to negative value, there would then be no real solutions or only imaginary solutions. That's about it about my math assignment presentation. Thank you for watching.